still. If your brother won't rock, then your sister will. Woo! Come on, everybody.